Hello, my name is Karena Weil, and I am a mind-body therapist with the Sutter Institute for Health and Healing in Santa Rosa. In this video, I'm going to guide you through a brief breathing exercise you can use during times of stress or anxiety called diaphragmatic or deep belly breathing. This tool is great for calming the nervous system by activating the diaphragm and stimulating the vagus nerve. This exercise creates a sense of grounding and safety. This exercise is also helpful for connecting with the body when we're overthinking. You can do this sitting in a chair or standing. So to begin, place your hands on your belly. As you inhale, you're going to visualize the breath filling the belly and expanding the diaphragm. You want to feel the belly rise and expand with the breath. And as you exhale through the mouth, you're going to feel the belly fall, returning to neutral. When we're anxious and stressed, we tend to breathe shallow into the chest. So the goal here is to feel more movement in the belly. Let's practice a few rounds together. Let's start by taking a clearing breath. When you're ready, begin to inhale slowly through the nose, breathing into the belly, feeling it expand. Then exhale through the mouth, feeling the belly fall. Again, inhale, belly rises, and exhale slowly, belly falls. And one more time, breathing in slowly through the nose. And exhale, letting it all go. Feel free to repeat this breath 3 to 6 times at your own slow pace. And just observe the sensations in your body. Thank you for practicing with me. Take care.